Well, how many controls are there in ISO 27001? Some people may actually view the 7 requirements, 7 clauses of 27001 are in itself controls. But apart from that, let's leave that separate. Typically what people would look at is the Annex A of the whole list of controls. At the very, very high level, there's 13 controls in Annex A. However, each of those 13 controls have sub-controls. So in reality, there's a total of 114 controls in Annex A of the 27001 standard. However, important to note that depending on your organization's requirements, not all controls are mandatory to implement. However, you have to justify whether you're including or excluding a control. But again, it's very comprehensive because it's catered for all types of industries, all types of organizations, not just IT. You can pick it up and say, yes, a whole set of these controls is applicable to my manufacturing process. It's applicable to my pharmaceutical company. It's applicable to the hospital or to other industries. That's why it's all encompassing. That's why it gives still the opportunity to say, well, these controls are applicable. These controls are not. You may not be managing your own data center. You may have that an external provider, and in which case you can further evaluate whether the controls in terms of data center is applicable to you or not.